The APS-C mirrorless camera category is entering a new phase of competition, and Canon appears ready to play a leading role with the rumored Canon EOS R9. Although the camera has not yet been officially announced, recent leaks and industry speculation have created enormous excitement among photographers and filmmakers who are eager to see what Canon has planned next. Rather than introducing a modest refresh of the EOS R7, the company is rumored to be developing a camera that pushes the APS-C format much closer to flagship performance. From a newly designed sensor and faster processing to advanced video recording and professional autofocus, the Canon EOS R9 is shaping up to be a camera built for creators who want professional capabilities in a smaller and more affordable package. The EOS R7 already proved that Canon could produce an APS-C mirrorless camera capable of satisfying demanding photographers. Its combination of excellent autofocus, fast burst shooting, effective in-body image stabilization, and impressive image quality made it one of the strongest cameras in its class. Wildlife photographers appreciated the extra reach provided by the crop sensor, while sports photographers, travel creators, and hybrid users found its performance more than capable for professional work. However, the mirrorless camera industry has advanced rapidly over the last few years. Competitors have introduced stacked sensors, higher frame rates, improved autofocus systems, and increasingly sophisticated video features. As a result, expectations surrounding the Canon EOS R9 are considerably higher than they were when the R7 first arrived. One of the most exciting rumors involves the camera's video capabilities. According to several trusted reports, the Canon EOS R9 may support uncropped 4K video recording at up to 120 frames per second. If Canon successfully delivers this feature, it would represent one of the most significant upgrades ever introduced in an APS-C EOS camera. Recording at 120 FPS allows creators to produce beautifully smooth slow-motion footage while preserving remarkable image quality. The fact that the recording may use the full sensor without an additional crop would further increase the camera's versatility by allowing lenses to maintain their intended field of view. This would benefit filmmakers working on documentaries, sports productions, travel films, music videos, commercials, and cinematic storytelling where high-quality slow motion has become an essential creative tool. Professional video workflows may also receive substantial improvements. Rumors indicate the Canon EOS R9 could include 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording along with Canon Log 3, giving editors and colorists significantly greater flexibility during post-production. These recording formats preserve more color information and dynamic range, making it easier to perform advanced color grading without degrading image quality. Some industry insiders have even suggested that Canon may introduce limited 8K recording modes, although recording duration could depend on thermal conditions. Even if 8K remains secondary, the combination of high-quality 4K recording, advanced color profiles, and professional codecs would position the EOS R9 as an outstanding hybrid camera. Beyond video, the physical design of the Canon EOS R9 appears to receive thoughtful refinements aimed at improving everyday usability. Reports suggest Canon will continue using a magnesium alloy internal frame while incorporating high-quality polycarbonate panels to reduce overall weight without sacrificing durability. This combination allows the camera to remain lightweight enough for travel while maintaining the rugged construction expected by professional users. A redesigned grip is also rumored, providing deeper contours and improved comfort when paired with larger RF telephoto lenses. For photographers who spend long hours shooting wildlife, aviation, sports, or outdoor events, improved ergonomics can significantly reduce fatigue and improve overall handling. Weather sealing is another area expected to receive meaningful attention. According to current leaks, the Canon EOS R9 may feature protection against dust, moisture, and changing weather conditions comparable to Canon's higher-end mirrorless cameras. Reliable environmental sealing has become increasingly important as more photographers work outdoors in unpredictable conditions. Whether photographing wildlife in rain, covering sporting events during difficult weather, or documenting travel adventures across challenging environments, dependable weather resistance allows photographers to concentrate on capturing images rather than worrying about equipment limitations. Canon also appears focused on improving the overall shooting experience through upgraded displays. The Canon EOS R9 is expected to feature a fully articulating 3.2-inch touchscreen capable of rotating into virtually any position. This flexible display design benefits photographers working from creative angles while also serving vloggers, filmmakers, and solo content creators who need to monitor themselves during recording. Canon's touchscreen interface has consistently ranked among the easiest to use in the industry, and an upgraded display would make autofocus control, menu navigation, playback, and live view shooting even more intuitive. The electronic viewfinder is also rumored to receive a major improvement. Reports suggest a resolution exceeding 3.6 million dots, providing a brighter, sharper, and more responsive viewing experience than previous APS-C models. A high-quality electronic viewfinder allows photographers to evaluate exposure, white balance, color rendering, and focus before capturing an image while minimizing lag during continuous shooting. This becomes especially valuable when tracking fast-moving wildlife or sporting action where timing is critical. If Canon ultimately delivers most of these rumored capabilities, the Canon EOS R9 could become one of the company's most influential APS-C cameras ever released. It has the potential to combine speed, versatility, image quality, professional video features, intelligent autofocus, and practical workflow improvements into a single camera capable of handling almost any creative challenge. Whether photographing wildlife, covering sporting events, producing documentaries, creating travel content, filming commercials, or capturing everyday moments, the EOS R9 appears ready to establish a new standard for APS-C mirrorless cameras and demonstrate just how capable the format has become.